Hello and welcome to Penrith. I am on the very popular Raiselands Croft today, just on the edge of Penrith town centre, looking at this fabulous 3-bedroom semi-detached house. It's been fully modernised inside. There's nothing not been done inside. New kitchens, bathrooms, radiators, flooring is decorated right through. It's absolutely gorgeous. Ready to move straight into a fabulous first-time buyers or family home. And this is the garden, or part of the garden. We've got 3 gardens. There's this one at the side, there's one to the front, and then there's a really private one with a shed in at the back. So ready to move into in one of the most popular and most accessible areas of Penrith. So let's flip this round, take you inside and show you this amazing house on Raiselands Croft. Okay, so this is the street scene on Raiselands Croft. This is the property that we've come to see. So you can see we've got a bit of a garden to the side here. We've got a huge garden this way, a really nice size, and then when we go around to the back we've got another very private space here. As you can see, got a shed here, but take that shed away and you've got quite a fair sized space at the back as well. Okay, so in we go, and our vendors, when doing this house, they've actually built this porch. So we've got this entrance vestibule which wasn't there previously, and it's a really useful space. There's room for all the coats, bags, whatever you want in there. It could even be a little office space or somewhere to tuck the kids away. And then from there we'll roll around into here, and again when these guys got it, it had a full wall separation there. But they've done an amazing job with this. It's absolutely beautiful. So a fabulous open plan living space. We've got the breakfast bar there. We've got all the super modern kitchen. Love that. We've got a little look out into the back garden. And then from there we've got a huge amount of storage that goes under the stairs. That takes us out to the front. And then we've got this very cool WC, and I love this space saver. So you've got the toilet, then you've got the sink above it. So there's no waste there, that'll go back down into the system. Really clever design. So you can see these guys have spent a lot of time thinking about what would work with this space, and I think they've done a fabulous job. So let's take you upstairs. So up we go. And again, it's all brand new here, new plasterwork, new carpets, doors, everything is new. And look at the bathroom. There's lovely big tiles there on the floor. P-shaped bath with the dual-headed shower heads above. Very nice. First room we come to. And this is an interesting shape. It takes us round. So perfect for wardrobes, or if you had a single bed in there, that would be an amazing kids' room. And then the outlook over that garden. So if we go opposite here, and then we have another interesting shaped room. This one goes into this space here. Nice big double bedroom, and that's got views over to the Lakeland Fells, which is very cool. And then finally the 3rd bedroom, again, is a really nice sized double room. So there we are. If you'd like to come and see this 3-bedroom semi-detached house on Raiselands Croft in Penrith, then please give the office a call, and we are on 01768 88 1111.